Now the mic's on, desktop audio off, and looks like everything's good. Camera's on, mic's on, music, cue the music. Okay, music cued, and currently 3 viewers. Don't forget to smash that like button on your way in, guys. Did you miss me? I know I've been gone for a while, busy working on our crypto server, also currently working on the algo over on TradingView. Been pretty busy. But what we're looking at here today, I know a lot of people have been concerned about market conditions. A lot of people have been in fear that we are headed towards a stock market crash. That term is used very loosely lately. So with that being said, guys, I just want to let you guys know, don't believe the hype. All right, stock market corrections happen all the time. If we take a brief look, S&P, you guys know this thing recently hit all-time highs, so market corrections happen all the time. Once upon a time, this was an all-time high. But again, this isn't a crash, ladies and gentlemen, just a correction. So we did see a lot of fear coming to the market, a lot of bad earnings on a few big tech stocks, which really shake up the entire market. We're going to get into some things here shortly. I'm just waiting for a few more people to chime in. We got 3 likes, ladies and gentlemen. 3 of those likes. I don't think that's enough. Let's get it to 10 and we will begin. As you all know, GameStop has deflated. A few things that we called here in the Discord. We're going to go over that. Show you a few things to look out for here. Jamia, to my surprise, guys, I put an alert on this thing on the algo yesterday. So let me show you that. Yesterday, so we should be getting a buy signal here on this thing here pretty soon. I'm glad I put that out there, so we won't miss that. Let me get it to the trading view for you guys really quickly. You know what? I think I might just do we can do the display, forget it. We can just do the whole display, but as you guys can see here, let's go to that alert. We got a Jamia, but we didn't get it to show anything today. As you guys can see here, still holding that sell alert. But once this thing flip by, we should get that signal to ring. What else we got? Nvidia. We still got our alert on Nvidia is a buy on the day. It's not currently a buy, but we got the alert, a buy on the day and a sell on the week. So because if we look here at the weekly chart on Nvidia, performs pretty well from the buy and sell signals. So I'd rather get the sell signal on this chart and catch the buy signal on this chart. So that's what we're looking for here on the algo. Those alerts will automatically be sent out to the Discord. I got it plugged in, so it does that instantly. So yeah, guys, make sure you get over to the Discord and make sure that you have your eyes out on the OB alert section. But Jumia, yeah, guys, we should be getting a buy signal here any day now. Just for a quick swing trade, of course. But on the other side of things, what's hot right now, SPWR is trying to make a recovery from that drop. I want to know your thoughts on this, guys. On SPWR, as you guys know, this thing is basically at a high of the day. Got news of asset purchase agreement. Dropped as low though as 33 cents. This thing is up over 100% from its low here today. Did anybody play SPWR. Shout out to Naomi for dropping in here in the live stream. If you haven't already, like I said before, smash that like button, ladies and gentlemen. Back to it though. SPWR, it looks as though that it's trying to fill this gap here as high as 79 cents here on the day. This thing does have huge potential to actually cross those 79 cent levels, ultimately reaching and breaching the 81 cent levels here on the day. If you're still holding, let me know. Far as VBIV, I do feel as though that this thing is on the retracement of the day and ultimately hit its high. LUMN, this is a stock that you also don't want to miss out on, guys, which was also alerted over in our Discord here today as well. I think we alerted this thing. We alerted it here today in the Discord, but we alerted it as well a few days ago. Just trying to get that PT for you guys. Upgrades. Grandmaster alerts. We alerted that thing here today. No, that was yesterday. Sorry about that. We alerted LUMN yesterday for the entry price of $3.25, with that price target being $3.75 plus. And as you guys can see here, we did ultimately reach and breach that here. That was in yesterday's aftermarket on that alert. Also, we did pretty well on SGMO. Entry was 85 cents. I believe that thing, it's still pretty high from the entry. Ran as high as $1.25. I do believe that was our top on that as well. Yep. As you guys can see here, SGMO PT has been hit. New set for $1.25. Ultimately hit that. SGMO has a new PT for $1.32. LMNN, we do have a new PT, $5.19 from our $3.25 entry yesterday. SERV headed to that $19.20. I was being pretty generous on this one. In fact, that's headed towards $20. SERV. This thing is ultimately headed towards those $20 levels again. In fact, guys, we call SERV pretty darn early, okay? If you were a part of the Discord, like I said before, I'm pretty sure SERV was alerted in the alert section as well. It's a few days ago. Let's get this out of here. SCRV, I believe that was probably a major buy alert. Who knows? I don't know. It was in the OB alert section. And this is the alert. 1620. Back on the 29th. No, that wasn't the first one. I knew it wasn't, because we was way down there. NCRV first alert was on the 22nd for the entry price of $11.55, of course. That price target being $12 plus. Ran as high as you can see here on the day chart, 24. Over 100% gain. Everything else looks, yeah, LUMN. This thing does have potential to actually break that high here on the day, that 518. Bid orders looks nice. Anyone holding LUMN, let me know in the comment section below, of course. So with this drop, what are your long-term stocks you're looking at? Long-term stocks in this drop. Honestly, Microsoft and Meta. Meta doesn't get talked about enough, as it should. But I think Meta is headed towards a $700 PT here before the year is over with. And that's within 4 months. Well, a little bit over 4 months. Bold statement, right? But the way that big tech is headed, I do feel as though that we're going to see Meta make some headlines here pretty soon. Also, Microsoft. I do feel as though that Microsoft is going to continue its path, more so catching even more market share here in the next upcoming years. Meta and Microsoft. Microsoft is actually setting itself up for a nice buying opportunity here. I do feel as though that we did reach that bottom of that 385 here 2 days ago. That's when the market was at its most vulnerable, with huge fear sparking across the field, thanks to, again, disappointing earnings with a few big tech stocks. Currently got 5 likes, guys. Don't forget to smash that like button. No Tesla as of now, because of, I really don't like the car industry. I don't think Tesla has more potential, more room to grow like semiconductor companies. I do feel as though that Tesla will reach its peak here much sooner than companies like Nvidia, Microsoft, AMD, also TCSM, a few others, guys. TSMC. Okay, let's see. SPWR is continuing to roll here. It's continuing to roll. Like I said, we should feel that gap between 79 cents here today. We should run as high as 79 cents. If we do reach and breach that, guys, we could be headed towards those 81 cent levels with ease. Don't forget to smash that like button like I said before, and don't forget to share the link. Anything else you guys want me to review? Okay. They are not just cars. True, they are not just cars. They are more than just that. But if we look at Tesla's, financials, the summary really quickly. Check this out. revenue breakdown, their energy generation segment makes up about 11.82% of their revenue quarterly. If we look at fiscal year for 2023, it made up 6.24% of their total revenue. So not much is coming from their energy generation and storage sector. But yes, they are more than just cars. But as the demand slows down for Tesla EVs, as more automakers get into the field, that auto segment revenue is going to decline. All right, so we got to take that into consideration. AutoZone is crazy. Auto parts are needed. Let's see here. Offering price was $1 here in LUMN.